Welcome to this short tutorial on downloading and installing SnapGene at NC State University. We will follow 5 simple steps to download, install, and register SnapGene at NC State. We begin by navigating to the software licensing page at NC State and finding the SnapGene page. Then click on the Downloads link, SnapGene Download. This link will take you to a page on SnapGene's website that is customized for our NC State site license. Select the appropriate version of SnapGene for your operating system and download. Install SnapGene on your device, following the instructions. And then, if you are on campus or using full tunnel VPN, the SnapGene registration should auto-populate, completing the registration code and group name. You will then be able to enjoy using SnapGene for your cloning and gene assembly and sequencing tasks.